The rug is like wet, like sorry for my messed up toes. Not really. It's jacked up. So the counter got ruined. I guess they tried to fix it. Everything was everywhere, so yeah. Brand new couch. My door was sucked in and ripped from the hinges. Yeah. I do have power back in my house. That's why the fan's going. I'm trying to keep the mold away. These were all clean clothes. Insulation everywhere. Mold is already in its works. All along. Let's go outside. So I did have an awning. With all the stuff that we removed from the house. This actually was covered with the roof. I had a carport. It's not over there, but it's the neighbor's yard. They really didn't have much damage. I just realized that tree was knocked down. Let's go around the back. Magnolia stood. I don't know if it's dead. All their trees were knocked down. My fence. Just hope I don't step on any more nails. I did last week. This is my house, guys. Just waiting to hear word on what's going to happen to it and whether I'm officially homeless or not.